problem like this has gone viral through the internet with people trying to establish using order of operations what the solution of this is. The correct way to do order of operations as taught in school would be to start with parentheses. Well, that part's pretty easy. Let's actually do that. So then I have 2 divided by 2 times, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now here's the problem. I'm done with parentheses. I don't have exponents, but now I'm up to multiplication and division. Well, I have both multiplication and division, so you're taught in school to go left to right. If I do that, if I go left to right, I would get 2 divided by 2 is 1. I would bring down the times 6. I would then multiply, and this would be a 6. But it's not quite that simple, and here's the problem. This symbol is not an algebra symbol. What division means is, if you look at a fraction, this is the division line, this is your numerator, and this is your denominator. So the correct way to write this, if it was a true algebra expression, would be to put this 2 in the numerator, and the rest of this would go in the denominator. So we've got to, let's keep a record here. So doing method 1, we had a 6. Now, I'll leave that there. I'll rewrite the problem, but this time, what I'll do is I'll put the left 2 will go in the numerator, and the rest of it will go in the denominator. Well, if I do it this way, then what happens is I can reduce this. Well, we still work in parentheses first, so let's just do that. So this becomes 2 times 6. These would reduce, and what I would get is 1/6 for an answer. Another way to look at this problem would be if this was in brackets, which it's not, it doesn't have that there, then I would have to do 2 times 6 is 12, so I would have 2 divided by 12, or 1/6 again. The problem with this is that the people that are making these puzzles are using symbols that are not true algebra symbols. So as written, this expression is actually not solvable because it needs to have certain things defined in it. So keep in mind, when you're writing, division in algebra is a fraction. And you have a numerator and a denominator. And this whole thing is a division problem. We do not use in algebra this symbol. We use a fraction.